Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and today I'm going to show you a trick that you can use to make or to add a pocket into your current agenda or your current journal. And I was thinking, like, why not having a pocket here? I also have this option, but I already have a tiny pocket here. But what about if one day I want to use this cover with another agenda? As you may know, you can take this out from here and then reuse the cover, mostly because you have it decorated your way and the way you like it more for that moment. And I was looking at this agenda one of these days and rereading everything we spoke in that event. And I was looking at this amazing envelope here in the last page. And what I was thinking is to detach or unglue or separate this from here. So I don't know if this is gonna be possible, but it looks like I can be unglue it from here. So yes, ooh, I like that sound. It means like I can take it out. Kind of a spatula, and I use it for my ideas here, and then I can just stick it in there and I can see how this is coming apart. Yes, ooh, it was easy to remove. Wow. Yay! It's that kind of a hot glue or something. It comes out. I don't want to get desperate. I want to go step by step. I don't want to lose it completely because it's coming out totally fully. So I don't mind having that page destroyed, but I really like to have this complete. Guys, this is good news. So look at that. So what I'm thinking now is I can probably leave or make a pattern out of these. What do you think? This is gonna go right here, and for this page to be more sturdy, probably I'm gonna glue it with this one, and then I'm gonna have that envelope there so I can have a bunch of stuff here. So I'm gonna give you the measurements of the envelope. It has 7.5 inches, 7.5. That will be 7.5 inches. And then we have 7.5 plus 1.5 is 9 inches. 10.5 inches. The second flap, 10.5 inches. And then this is the same. Now the length, the total length is going to be 6, 12, 13 inches. That will be here, 13 inches. So we have 7.5. The wider side, that is where the accordion is going to be 10.5 inches. The second one is 4.5. And the third one is 4 inches. We open it and then we have accordion, right? So we fold it with any problems here. We just fold it once, then fold it twice, and then we have the flaps on the back. So I have, this is my pattern, and that is the original. Open your flaps, go inside, and then you bring the accordion on top, and then free the flaps, go in the back, glue there, and then you have your envelope with the accordion on both sides. You see? It's totally perfect. So I'm gonna do it with you here so we can have it done, and then work on the details, the details. We need to cut some of the things. Then I had this broken, so this paper wasn't totally fine to make a template, but anyways, I don't care because I'm gonna do it again. I don't have any problems doing this again at all. All right, so there. Awesome. Actually, this is a vintage envelope, so it doesn't matter. Right, so I have my accordion envelope. Look at that. Awesome. And then I can glue my envelope in my journal and then having that space to keep stuff. Of course, the place with the flaps are the back side. So you glue it on top of your journal like so. And let's close the original one. So we just go here, make that double, bring the accordion, bring the back, close the flaps, and that is the envelope. Same thing, different materials. This is recycled, this is coffee dyed, and this is just a cardstock that came with my agenda. So this is all I have for today, and this was my first prototype. It's not double, but it's good to have it as a model, so we can do a tiny accordion with no flap and with nothing on. So this is just to glue this straight through your journal, and then you just open it and you have the accordion. So this will be an easy version. This is kind of a more complicated version, but both can work and may work in your journal. So thank you very much for being here. And remember, don't go away without hitting this little button here to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment and let me know if you're gonna try making this amazing accordion envelope. I'll see you soon in my next episode. Bye bye, and thanks for watching.